Hey everyone, it's Robin again from Glow Yoga Kids. I just wanted to do a huge shout out to all of the amazing families and parents and kiddos that joined us for the Enjoy Gathering today. I also wanted to thank the facilitators, Jade from Facilitator with Glow Yoga Kids and Root and Reboot, as well as Teresa, the Executive Director of the Enjoy Gathering, for having us Glow Yoga Kids join for the incredible event. I had such a good time, and I wanted to be able to share the mind jar that we learned during our the Enjoy Gathering this morning. For those of you who didn't join us for the Enjoy Gathering, that's okay. The mind jar is great for everybody, and so I'm going to do a quick little mini lesson on it again, and then I'm going to teach you how to make your own. So this is my mind jar here. As you can tell, it's very clear, and we can see right through it. This is what our brain looks like when we're feeling really calm and we can make really good decisions. Now, there's things that enter our brain when we're feeling a little bit anxious or stressed or upset, and those are usually emotions and thoughts. And when they get all jumbled up, they tend to control our brain. And then we're unable to make clear decisions because it's so cloudy in there. And so if your brain feels like this sometimes, a really great way to help yourself calm down is to simply be still, meditate, breathe, do yoga, all of the activities we learned today in the Enjoy Gathering. Again, if you weren't there, there's lots of resources on our YouTube page or on our website, www.glowyogakids.com or @glowyogakids. And it helps you to calm down. And then what happens? Our emotions then settle. They settle to the bottom, to the other part of our brain. So then we're able to make those clear decisions again. Now, it doesn't mean that our emotions are gone because we've felt them, we've seen them, and then we've let them relax. So that's really important to know. It's not getting rid of them. They're not going to leave. But in order to make us feel more calm, there's that space inside of our brain that we need to make nice and clear and relaxed so we can make those good decisions. Now, in order to make your own mind jar, there's two different ways you can do it. You can add glue or not. For me, I don't add glue just because I like the way that the glitter kind of moves without it. Glue slows down the glitter. So if you decide that you want kind of a longer relaxation period, then you can add glue. But I like to use my mind jar as an alternative to a timeout. So more of like a break. So when I feel, or when the kiddos feel like they're getting stressed or anxious or upset, I say, okay, head over to the break mat, give the jar a little shake, and once all the glitter has come down to the bottom, then you can come and we can talk about it, right? And often just having that representation of the brain and how the brain is feeling and letting your brain and the jar kind of settle at the same time can be really, really calming for kids. And if not, the glitters are just really nice and relaxing to watch. So yeah, depending on how long you want them there for, you can add glue because that takes a little bit longer, but I find that without glue, it's usually the perfect amount of time, and then they're ready to talk. So to make your own, you just need a little jar. So you can just put clear water inside of your jar. So mine's already got a little bit of sparkles in it because I started already, but you can add just clear water to your jar. And then to make it an activity, you want to have a bunch of different colors of sparkles. And then you can get your kids to say different emotions or thoughts or things that they experience that maybe make their brain feel a little bit crazy. And they can choose what colors the different emotions mean to them, and then you can add them. So maybe they're feeling, okay, a little bit stressed. I'm going to add a little bit of stress in there. Maybe I'm going to add a little bit of fear. Maybe I'm going to add a little bit of anger or a little bit of jealousy or a little bit of sadness. Every time you pick an emotion or a thought, you add that sparkle into your jar. Once you're finished, if you have little ones, a plastic jar might be nice. And then also you can hot glue the lid on so that you don't have any big messes, because you fill it with a lot of glitter and then someone breaks it on the floor or opens the jar up, it's going to be a huge mess on your floor. One other note I'll just mention is if you are making this, it can be quite nice to have like a drop tarp underneath you or some newspaper so that you're not getting glitter all over your carpet. So then you've got your mine jar. This one doesn't have a whole lot of sparkles in it, but you can add lots, and then it can kind of get to this point where you're having that beautiful sparkly craziness going on. And that's it. The final thing that I wanted to mention is the amazing offerings that we're having come up this summer. We're going to be posting them on our website shortly and having some promotions about it on our social pages. Is our virtual summer camps, our virtual party packs for those of you who are stuck in quarantine or stuck at home, but still have birthdays going on. We're going to be doing everything via video chat, while also mailing craft supplies and things like that. Whatever other activities that need extra supplies, we'll be mailing them to you. So on top of that, we're going to be doing some outdoor yoga in the park, and we also have our virtual classes online as well. So feel free to reach out at info@glowyogakids.com if you're looking for more information about those things. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye.